JK flip-flop in biomedical engineering. Introduction to JK flip-flops. A JK flip-flop is a type of digital storage element used to store one bit of data. It has two inputs, J and K, and one clock input, in addition to the standard outputs, Q and Q. The JK flip-flop is an improvement over the SR flip-flop, eliminating the ambiguous state when both inputs are high. JK flip-flop operation. The behavior of a JK flip-flop is described by the following truth table, where J equals 0, K equals 0, the output Q remains unchanged. J equals 0, K equals 1, the output Q is reset to 0. J equals 1, K equals 0, the output Q is set to 1. J equals 1, K equals 1, the output Q toggles its state. This truth table ensures that there are no invalid states, making the JK flip-flop more versatile than the SR flip-flop. Applications in biomedical engineering. In biomedical engineering, JK flip-flops are crucial in various applications where precise control, timing, and state management are necessary. Below are some specific examples. Medical devices. Pacemakers. Functionality. Pacemakers require precise timing circuits to generate pulses that regulate heartbeats. JK flip-flops are used in the timing circuitry to ensure accurate pulse generation in timing intervals. Safety mechanisms. They can be part of redundant systems to ensure the pacemaker continues to function correctly even if one part fails. Defibrillators. Pulse control. JK flip-flops can help control the timing and delivery of electrical shocks to restore normal heart rhythm. Synchronization. They ensure the shock is synchronized with the heart's rhythm to avoid inducing arrhythmia. Data acquisition systems. Electrocardiograms, ECGs. Signal storage. JK flip-flops can store digital representations of ECG signals for further processing and analysis. Noise reduction. They help stabilize input signals, filtering out noise for more accurate readings. EEG and EMG systems. Data management. JK flip-flops manage the storage of signals from sensors and ensure data integrity before processing. Imaging systems. MRI and CT scanners. Data sequencing. JK flip-flops help sequence the collection of imaging data, ensuring accurate timing for capturing slices. Control systems. They manage control systems that adjust imaging parameters in real time, ensuring high-quality images. Practical example. Digital heart rate monitor. Consider a digital heart rate monitor that uses a JK flip-flop to debounce input from a heart rate sensor, ensuring each heartbeat is accurately registered without noise. Circuit design. Input. Connect the heart rate sensor output to the clock input of the JK flip-flop. State control. Set both J and K inputs to 1, enabling the flip-flop to toggle on each heartbeat pulse. Output. Connect the Q output to a counter that records the number of toggles, heartbeats, per minute. Explanation. Debouncing. The JK flip-flop debounces the sensor signal, ensuring only valid heartbeats are counted. Counting. Each heartbeat pulse triggers the clock, causing the JK flip-flop to toggle. The counter records the number of toggles, providing the heart rate. Error checking and redundancy. Error detection. JK flip-flops can be used in error detection and correction circuits. For example, they can help ensure data integrity in signal processing by storing and verifying data states. Redundancy. In critical medical devices, redundancy is crucial. JK flip-flops can be used in parallel circuits to provide backup in case of a failure, ensuring continuous operation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our Biomedical Solutions YouTube channel and comment your opinions.